Hey there! Welcome to a new chapter of your health journey. Are you ready to transform your body in a tasty and healthy way? Imagine combining the joy of delicious flavors with the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Say hello to Matcha Extreme, the first tea on the market designed to help you achieve the body of your dreams. This isn't just any tea, it's a revolutionary blend that supports your weight loss goals. Imagine losing weight, boosting your energy, and feeling revitalized all while sipping on a delicious tea. Sounds amazing, right? It's like having a personal wellness coach in a cup. Let's dive into what makes Matcha Extreme so special. It's not just about the taste, it's about the powerful ingredients that make it a game changer. This powerhouse blend combines 4 organic ingredients that work together to support your health and well-being every single day. Each ingredient is carefully selected to provide maximum benefits. First up, we have matcha green tea leaves powder. This isn't your average green tea. It's a supercharged version packed with nutrients. Made from the nutrient-rich young leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, matcha is steamed, dried, and ground into a fine powder. This meticulous process ensures that all the goodness is preserved. It's packed with antioxidants and helps improve metabolism and digestion, making it a perfect weight loss companion. Plus, it provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters. Next, there's cacti nia, an extract from the highest quality prickly pear fruit. This unique ingredient adds a special touch to our blend. This cactus family plant is naturally found in Mexico and is the richest source of indica xanthan. It's a natural powerhouse that supports your body's detoxification processes. It helps increase water excretion from your body and supports a stable glycemia, reducing your appetite. This means you can manage your cravings more effectively. Then we have spirulina powder, an excellent source of protein, antioxidants, vitamins, and trace elements. This blue-green algae is a nutritional powerhouse. Known worldwide for its health-supporting properties, spirulina will boost your energy and motivation to exercise, improve your concentration, and support your nervous system. It's like a natural energy drink without the crash. Last but not least, acerola fruit extract. This small but mighty fruit packs a punch when it comes to nutrition. This powerhouse ingredient is a valuable source of naturally occurring vitamin C, along with carotenoids, phenols, anthocyanins, and flavonoids. These compounds work together to support your immune system and overall health. The natural vitamin C from acerola is much better absorbed compared to synthetic forms, helping to protect your body against free radicals and reduce feelings of stress and tension. It's a natural way to boost your resilience. With Matcha Extreme, you'll experience a decrease in fatigue and tiredness, efficient elimination of toxins and heavy metals, improved lipid profile, and overall better health and well-being. It's like a full-body reset in a cup. You'll fall in love with Matcha Extreme from the very first sip. So why wait? Start your journey to a healthier you today. Hit the link below now to join those who have already discovered the taste and amazing properties of Matcha Extreme. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your health. Transform your body and your life, one tasty sip at a time. Every cup brings you closer to your health goals. Cheers to your health and happiness. Here's to a new, healthier you with Matcha Extreme.